In this video, I am going to show you how to create SQLite database using C# for Windows WinForm project. First, create a new project and select here select the project type Windows Form app and keep the language C# and select this and click on next and give the project name here. Select the framework .NET framework and click on create. Now our solution created successfully. Design the Windows form and create 3 buttons. First button, give the name btn create database, and second button, give the name btn tables, and third button, btn views. Now double click on create SQLite database. First right click on reference, right click here and click on manage NuGet packages and search here SQLite.net, browse and select the first link system.data.sqlite core .NET framework and click here on install. So apply this installation. Now go to the form on .cs. First import the SQLite library. So right here using system dot data dot and select here SQLite. Now using system dot IO for IO operation. Now first declare some variable, so string database path and one another string connection string. Now double click on form and create a events form load event, form one load, and write here database path is equal, and specify the path here. So at the rate, and create a path here in F drive. You can choose any drive. So and write the database name here. So keep the database name my data dot db and semicolons, and create a connection string. So connection string is equal, and connection string is data source is equal, and pass the database path. So pass here database path and database version. And version is equal 3. Now go to the btn create database, and first pass a condition. If not file dot exist, and pass the database path. If our database is not exist, then so SQLite connection dot create files and database path, and pass a message box. So message box dot show database created. And pass here else message box data is file already exists. Now go to the design form and double click on create tables. So create the tables for database. So using SQLite connection. So CONN connection is equal new SQLite connection string. And now open the connection. So dot open now using SQLite command cmd is equal conn dot create command. So right here new SQLite command and pass here connection. Now write here cmd our command dot command tags and specify the command tags here. So at the rate and create table. So write the command create table if not exist. If table already exists, then database table will not created. So this is the table name and this is the table column name and this is the data type integer primary key and this is another column of the tables first name last name email and phone. This is data type and allow not null and this is unique. So this column will contain unique value. Now execute this command. So cmd dot execute non-query and pass a message box message box dot Table created successfully. Now close the connection. Now create a view. So click on create view and copy these lines. Now create views. So set the only command, change the command only, and cmd.command tags is equal create view if not exist, and this is the view name, and pass the as, this is the write the as, and pass a query. Select contact ID, first name, last name, email, phone from contact, and pass the condition here from record from this tables. Now run this application and see the result. So our app is running, and now click on create database. So message box is database created. Okay, now create tables. So table created successfully. Now create view. So view created successfully. Now click on check the if our code is working or not. So click on create database. So message is database file already exists. So our SQLite database created successfully. Thank you for watching this video.